kindness gone? Hope still lingers on. I drink myself a newfound pity, sitting alone in New York City, and I don't know why. Are we listening? Hymns of offering. Have we eyes to see? Love is gathering. All the words that I've been reading have now started the act of bleeding into one, into one. So I walk on high and I step to the edge to see my world below, and I laugh to myself while the tears roll down. 'Cause it's the world I know. Oh, it's the world I know. Newfound pity, sitting alone in New York City, and I don't know why. Don't know why. So I walk on high